Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're coming across a Windows update error. Error occurred, one of the update services is not running properly, but you can try to run a troubleshooter to fix the problem. So we're going to do exactly that for today's tutorial, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel, and then you want to select underneath get up and running, select Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and then select run the troubleshooter. Okay, so there you go guys, you can just close out of here. With just restarting your computer, attempt to check for updates again, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.